Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on accidental touch protection and sensitivity. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up settings, then scroll down until you see display. So you want to click on that, then again scroll down, then you should come to accidental touch protection. So this just means protect your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place, such as a pocket or bag. So obviously all you'll need to do on there is just toggle that on. And then also below that you'll have touch sensitivity. So this just means increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So again, all you'll need to do is toggle that on, and that will turn them both on for you. Thanks for watching.